Okay, so this is the NASA picture that I think shows us some kind of mining operation. There are certainly artifacts around. Let me show you some. If you look at that object there, pardon me, see what I mean? It's almost lantern shaped, genie type lamp shaped, man-made. It's not a rock. And if you look at that there, it goes along in a straight line, and underneath that rock, that's also man-made. And here, there's 4 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this, I believe, here is a hatch. And the reason I say that is I've seen this emblem type thing, this head, on another hatch door on the video that I did on the spaceship crash, a similar type thing, and you can see that there's moulding there, there are shapes, it's not a rock. And over on this side, just there, you've got another hinge or a handle, whatever, not a rock. It's part of this structure here, and I believe that there's something underground there. Quite a few artifacts to see here. It's finding them. There's some fishing net, by the way, in this area being a cove. It's predominantly fishing, or was. That netting appears everywhere. And how about this? A tap. It's quite a modern looking tap, really. Quite fashionable. They seem to like their rock, the Martians, don't they? And further up here, you can see there's a little animal there. Whether it be a statue or a live animal, I don't know. We'll never know. Little carved chappie there. See him? Okay, coming back to the mining bit. We've got this very shiny metal here. Looks like ingots, and they probably are. Just down here, you can see, just at the bottom of the screen there, a kind of ringlet with a hole in one end and a pin in the other, and there's sort of a chainy thing there and a metal piece there. Not very good at describing things, but that's how it is. But that's the sort of thing that you might expect us to hold, say, a crucible with, to pour your molten metal, and that seems to fit in with these objects here, which do look like ingots. There's more artifacts here, look, and over there. And you'll notice that there are holes in places as well on the surface. One in particular I want to show you. Finding it. Oh, it's over here. Here we go. See these holes here? There's a hole there in the surface and a square hole there. And I've done no colouring here at all. This is the actual picture from the NASA website, and it seems to me there is a hole there. There is something coming out of the hole, steam or whatever, and there's a ready bit. See it? Could the operation to the smelting operation still be going on underground? Who knows? It's a bit odd, isn't it? We didn't expect that. You can see the hole quite clearly from here, look. This is definitely a hatch, and the next photograph along that Curiosity took that gives the other side of these ingots, I'll show you now. Here you can see the ingots from the other side, and if you look just there, you'll notice another one of those heads, and this is the hatch, it seems to me, that's actually collapsed. See it? So I don't think it's just that one instance. And over there looks like it could be a little fire furnace. So here we are back on the scene here. And just to validate where I'm getting this idea, just in case you haven't seen my video about the spaceship, I'll show you the hatch on the door to that, which has a similar figurehead that looks as though it's a handle to the door. And there it is. You can see the hatch there, and you can see a similar kind of figurehead, which is the handle to open the door. So that's it. So much to see in this one picture, and that's what's happening with all of the pictures that are coming out. You really need to look very carefully. I've found so much. I can't believe the amount of artifacts I've found just scrutinising the photographs. I've got a backlog of things that I want to put out there to you on video. And none of my videos, by the way, are taken from anywhere else other than the NASA photographs. So I'm very grateful to them and Curiosity for taking them. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. See you very soon.